In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a journal in Canva. Whether you're looking to share your passion for journaling with the world or simply want to create a unique product to sell, this guide will walk you through the entire process. Let's delve into the world of Canva, an incredibly versatile and user-friendly online design tool that offers everything you need to craft beautiful journals. To get started, open Canva in your browser. And once you're on the home page, direct your attention to the search bar. By typing in journal, you'll discover a treasure trove of templates designed specifically with journaling in mind. Take your time to browse through this impressive collection. It might feel a little overwhelming at first, but consider it your opportunity to explore and ultimately find a design that really resonates with the vision you have for your journal. The array of templates is vast, ranging from minimalist designs to more detailed and ornate options. Once you identify a template that piques your interest, the next key step is to click on Customize this template. This is where the magic truly happens, allowing you to inject your personal style into the design. With Canva's intuitive drag-and-drop interface, customizing various elements is a breeze. You can change colors to suit your theme, adjust layouts to fit your needs, and even add your own images. Additionally, feel free to insert design elements like icons or illustrations. This level of flexibility ensures your journal is as unique as you are. Now, let's focus on text. Text isn't just a functional part of your journal, it's also a crucial design component that enhances the overall aesthetic. By highlighting sections of text you want to change, you can easily modify font style, size, and color to align with your theme. Feel free to add inspirational quotes or prompts, guiding the journal user through a reflective or creative journey. The key here is consistency. Ensure that your font style and color palette remain cohesive throughout the journal. As you continue to customize, make a habit of previewing your journal to see how it looks as a complete piece. This will give you a sense of the flow and readability, helping you make any necessary adjustments. Don't hesitate to experiment with different combinations until you're fully satisfied with your creation. Once you're happy with your design, it's time to export your creation. Canva offers multiple options for exporting your file, allowing you to choose the type that best suits your needs. Whether you're opting for a high-quality PDF for print or a shareable digital format, make sure to set the resolution high enough for clear printing if you plan to produce physical copies. By following these steps, you've successfully crafted a journal in Canva that reflects your design sensibility and creative flair. Not only is your new creation ready for the world to see, but it also stands as a testament to what you can achieve with a bit of creativity and the right tools in hand. Remember, with design, the possibilities are endless. Thank you for watching and happy journaling.